Hey fellow craft nerds, this is Liz, the official craft nerd, and I am bringing you 2 DIYs today that are very easy to do. So this first one is a boho inspired one. We're just going to make some vases, and all I'm using are 2 of these candle holders that are from Dollar Tree, as well as a sheet of the cork board that you can find in Crafter's Square. The cork board is self-adhesive, so do be careful to know exactly where you want to place it down before you do, because once that is down, that sucker is down. So it is very difficult to peel back up without destroying the cork board. So just a word for the wise there. All I did was just trim off the excess off the top. And then what I'm doing here is taking a dabber tool and just some white chalk paint. And I'm just going to make a design on the cork board, and you can do whatever you want to do with this. You want to paint something, you want to use some sponge technique. I just wanted to play with the dabber tools here, so I love it because nothing is perfect on it. They're all unique, so it came out looking extremely cute in my opinion, and I loved it. So what I used for the plants is just the grass stems that Dollar Tree sells. I had quite a bit on hand that I needed to use, so I used, I believe, 5 of the stems here, and I just folded them up and stuck them in there. And then what I ended up doing was I didn't want it to remain the tall bushy grass that it was. So I'm actually going to just trim it down so that it's a little more cohesive and goes a little bit better with the previous plant that I made, which the plant from that for that one was actually from Walmart, which is like $3 a bundle, and I believe I put about 3 bundles in that one. But all in all, it's a very affordable, easy project to do, and I loved these. So these are one of my favorite things that I've done so far. Now, my next project, also very easy. I'm taking signs from Dollar Tree. These are the ones that are, I believe they're still out. They're very summer inspired signs. So I'm not even worrying about the front with all the glitter and the design. I'm just going to paint the back just with that Waverly Chalk Paint. You can use whatever color you prefer. In this case, I just wanted to use the white. You're also going to use these plastic bottles that you can see also in the frame right now, that are also found in the crafters section, and they're just plastic bottles. You're not going to use the tops at all, but I saved those for, who knows, I may need them for something else. But what I'm going to do is take a sheet of the chalkboard stickers that they have in Crafter's Square, and I trimmed them down to size so that they would wrap like a label around this bottle. Now what's great about these is because they are chalkboard stickers, you can write on them. I did not for this particular demo, only because I couldn't find my chalk pens, so it looks fine by itself, it's okay. But I wrapped it around there, I pushed out all the bubbles, and it looked perfect. And then basically what I do from here is I'm going to put a couple of strips of the hot glue, and I'm going to place it on the sign. I chose to put it down low just so it had that height effect with the sign, but you can place it however you would prefer. And once it's down there nice and dry, I do locate some flowers to put in there. What is great about this project is that it is interchangeable, so you can take these flowers out and put in fall flowers when the fall comes around. When Christmas is around, you could put some holly in there, whatever you want to do. That's what's really cool about this, is it's always going to go with whatever season, and it's not just particular to one season. Being that it's still summer, I have a lot of springy summer flowers, so that's why I'm putting the pink in here. I do have another one that I do that I just use some greenery that I've had around also from Dollar Tree. And I loved them both. So just added a rope so that they would both hang, and then I also placed a piece of the rope around the bottles' necks just to give it a little bit of extra. So, but I actually love these very much, so I hope you enjoy these as well. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stick around. Please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my regulars, thank you so much for coming back. I love having you guys here, and I look forward to having some more DIYs for you here in the future. So until next time, y'all, stay safe.